Today, it's all about the animals. Hi, this is Clint and welcome to Motivational WebTV. I recently attended a very interesting show called All About Pets right here in Toronto. I've got some interesting commentary, but before we get there, here are some video highlights. Daycare center here. Well, how did you like that? Now, I've always maintained that pet owners have discovered something that most non-pet owners haven't discovered, and that is there's a very special bond created between an animal and a human. It's a relationship that just can't be duplicated with relationships with other people. Now, can pets contribute to your overall happiness? I think so. Can pets contribute to, let's say, your overall stress management? Oh, I think so indeed. If you're having a tough day, you spend some time with your pet, and your pet will do wonders to take you to another world. all pet owners know that. So if you're a non-pet owner, you just might want to think about including pets in your life someday. That's just food for thought. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time, right back here on Motivational Web TV. Good boy.